Cuties, take your maths book and open page number 9. Today we are going to see shapes. Keywords: round, flat, corner, edge. Cuties, let's see some live example for round, flat, corner and edge. Cuties, what is this? Yeah, correct. This is ball. What shape is this? Yes, this is round in shape. Okay, now let's see flat object. Cuties, what is this? Color pencil box. This is example for flat shape. These sides are called edges and this are called corners. Cuties, you can easily identify the shapes of object. The round object can roll on the ground. For example, this is ball, right? See here, it is rolling on the book, right? Roll means urundu poradhu. This is flat object and this is slide on the ground. Slide means sarikittu poradhu. How this goes? Yes, sarikittu pogudhu. Ball, yes, roll. Roll means urundu poradhu. How this goes? Yes, rolling. This one? Yes, slide. Slide means sarikittu poradhu. So the round object can roll. The flat object can slide. So this is the difference between round shape and flat shape. Okay cuties, I hope you understood it. Let's read this. THE, the ball is round. The ball is round. The book is flat. The book is flat. The slate is flat. The slate is flat. The orange is round. The orange is round. Here the ball and the orange are in round shape. The book and the slate are in flat shape. Let's do this activity. Tick the following objects as round or flat. What is this, cuties? Watermelon, right? Is this round or flat? Round. So tick here. Next one. Yeah, TV remote. Round or flat? Yes, it is flat. We need to tick under flat. Turn to the next page. Corner, edge. This is brick. Brick means single. This is a corner. These parts are called corners. In the black lines irukku pathingala, these are called edges. இந்த ரெண்டு edges. இந்த edges ஒரு இடத்துல ஜாயின் ஆகுது பார்த்தீங்களா, இந்த இடம் corner. See here, these are edges, these are corners. Color the corner. Okay குட்டீஸ், let's find out the corner. கார்னர்னா என்ன? ரெண்டு எட்ஜஸ் ஒரு இடத்துல ஜாயின் ஆகிருக்கும். இது ஒரு எட்ஜ், இது ஒரு எட்ஜ். இது எங்கே ஜாயின் ஆகிருக்கு? இந்த இடத்துல. ஸோ இது ஒரு கார்னர். நெக்ஸ்ட் அதே மாதிரி எங்கே ஜாயின் ஆகிருக்கு? எஸ், ஹியர். திஸ் இஸ் ஆல்சோ எ கார்னர். This one also. So now there are 4 corners. Cuties, color for this. Next, trace the edge. Where is the edge? Yes, this dotted lines are edges. Trace all this dotted lines. Cuties, complete this, take a photo and send it to me. Do round objects have corner? I will show an round object. See this object and let me know it has corner. No, right? Next question. Are there any objects that are both round and flat? ஏதாவது ஒரு ஆப்ஜெக்ட் ரவுண்டாகவும் ஃப்ளாட்டாகவும் பார்த்துருக்கீங்களா? No, right?